Powerful protein infusion. Visibly heal signs of hair damage with Nexxus Keraphix Shampoo and Conditioner for damaged hair. Together, this keratin hair treatment brings the salon experience home. Smoothing keratin damaged hair treatment reaches into the hair fiber to help repair from within. Continued use enables the keratin to increase hair's resilience, leaving you with silky hair. Keratin treatment infused with PROTEINFUSION. Inspired by Nexxus New York City Salon, this Nexxus system with keratin protein and black rice is your new weapon to heal signs of damaged hair. Salon-Crafted Hair Care. Take the first step to rejuvenated hair with our hair repair treatment for damaged hair. Nexxus Damaged Hair System helps replenish and repair hair, leaving it revitalized. Keratin Hair Care. Nexxus knows hair structure consists of up to 90% protein, so Nexxus scientists use leading-edge research called proteomics to create its revitalizing hair treatment. Nexxus Hair Care products. Looking for the best shampoo and conditioner for hair repair? Nexxus Keraphix line of keratin shampoo and conditioner, and our hair masks, restores your hair after one use. Top reviews from the United States. Best ever. Finally, I found a shampoo that is working. My hair is all dry and damaged due to bleaching it a lot and straightening my hair a lot. On the first day I noticed the big difference. Love it.